What steps should I take if my Amazon order is lost or stolen?
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be discussing the steps you should take if your Amazon order is lost or stolen. It can be quite frustrating when you're eagerly waiting for your package, only to find out that it has gone missing. But worry not, because I'll guide you through the process of resolving this issue. So, let's get started.
Contact Amazon customer support.
The first step you should take if your Amazon order is lost or stolen is to contact Amazon customer support. They are there to assist you with any issues you may encounter with your orders. You can reach them by visiting the Amazon website and finding the Help or Contact Us section. It's important to provide them with all the necessary details such as your order number, tracking information, and any other relevant information. This will help them better understand your situation and provide appropriate assistance.
Request a replacement or refund.
Once you've contacted Amazon customer support and informed them about your lost or stolen order, you can request a replacement or refund. Amazon has policies in place to protect customers in such situations. They will investigate the matter and determine the appropriate course of action. Depending on the circumstances, they may offer you a replacement for the lost item or issue a refund for the amount you paid. Be sure to communicate your preference clearly so they can accommodate your needs.
File a police report, if necessary.
In cases where your order has been stolen, it's advisable to file a police report. This step is particularly important if you suspect theft or if the value of the stolen item is significant. Contact your local law enforcement agency and provide them with all the relevant details. The police report will serve as an official record of the incident and may be required by Amazon or your insurance provider, if applicable. Remember to keep a copy of the police report for your own records.
Monitor your account and payment method.
While Amazon investigates the situation and resolves the issue, it's crucial to monitor your account and payment method. Keep a close eye on your Amazon account to ensure that no unauthorized activity takes place. Additionally, review your payment method statements regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. If you notice any unauthorized charges, notify Amazon immediately and your payment provider to take appropriate action.
Leave feedback and reviews.
After the situation has been resolved and you have received a replacement or refund, you may consider leaving feedback and reviews regarding your experience. Your feedback can help other customers and also provide valuable insights to Amazon regarding their service quality and delivery processes. Whether your experience was positive or negative, sharing your thoughts can contribute to improving the overall customer experience on the platform. That brings us to the end of this video on the steps to take if your Amazon order is lost or stolen. Remember, the first step is to contact Amazon customer support, followed by requesting a replacement or refund. If necessary, file a police report and monitor your account and payment method for any unauthorized activity. Finally, consider leaving feedback and reviews to help others and contribute to improving the platform. I hope you found this information helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.